So this video we're going to show you how to adjust the awning sash up and down. This is on our Supreme awning, and you will need a what we call a roto wrench because it's roto hardware. Your local Kohltech dealer will probably have one of these at their display room. If not, you can contact us and we can have one sent out. But this is the adjustment you'll need. This is the adjustment wrench you'll need to do the adjustment on the awning up and down. So basically you open your window. When you open your window, you can look at your hinges on the side here, and it's basically like a nut in behind that. That's why you need this thin wrench. And that there adjusts your sash up and down by turning it. It's on a cam. So you're going to turn that to adjust your sash up and down. So if you have a sash that's rubbing on the bottom when it's coming in, you can turn that to bring your sash up on both sides. There's one on this side as well. And that there will raise your sash up to stop it from rubbing at the bottom. If it's rubbing at the top, you can lower it down by that. That's the adjustment on an awning hinge.